Deborah met our group at our hotel with a tour bus to take us into the area of São Paulo we were going to walk through. Deborah was welcoming and it was easy to warm to her. The walking tour took in many Afro-Brazilian sites, the Central Library to small Afro-Brazilian entrepreneurs involved in computer technology, a small arts museum and the Afro Museum, the highlight of my trip. Deborah was a wonderful guide and interpreter. It was like walking with a family friend, so knowledgeable and so patient with all of our questions about Afro-Brazilian life. Our last day in São Paulo, Deborah escorted us to the airport and gave each of us a small gift. So touching. I hope to return to São Paulo and will definitely recommend Deborah for a tour guide. I took a group of postgraduate students from all over the world on a city tour with Deborah. She is an excellent tour guide, attentive to every detail. She presented the city center through a powerful lens focused on the history of the Black population in São Paulo. Deborah is extremely knowledgeable and flexible, always aiming to provide the best possible experience. I highly recommend her services. Deborah was very knowledgeable and informative. She is one of the greatest guides that we have had. I definitely would recommend her. Marco and Melissa. The tour was a great way for me to learn about Black Catholic spirituality and the contributions Black people are making in São Paulo. Great experience with Deborah, learning the history of Black experience while exploring downtown sites of São Paulo.